Meet Spark. Small, colorful, smart. A powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever, it activates by recognizing you. Just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it. And land like this. Easy. Can't get everyone in the shot? No problem. Watch as it hovers precisely in place, always at your command. Control it with your hands, remote controller, mobile device, or DJI goggles. Using GPS, Spark knows where it is, even if you don't. It'll even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Think you got smooth moves? Spark's footage is smoother. It takes the shake out of your shot, so you look like a pro. Not feeling the control sticks? Perform preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots. Here's a way to stand out from the crowd. Spark automatically adds shallow depth of field to your photos. If you don't know how to fly, just tap fly. Let's see if you can handle sport mode. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.
Anafi is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. Anafi is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.
At Autel Robotics, we push the boundaries of modern flight, exploring the unknown with unparalleled performance. This is the Evo 2 series, ushering in a new era of aerial shooting. Evo 2, the world's first 8K foldable drone, brings you unmatched video resolution and 48 megapixel stills to capture the world with more detail than ever before. Featuring 10-bit A-log color profile, Evo 2 records up to 1 billion colors. Its stunning 4K HDR video stands out with increased dynamic range, delivering top-of-the-line image quality that you'll covet after experiencing. The powerful phase detection autofocus function and 120 FPS slow-motion video capabilities are an ideal combination for high-speed shooting. Thanks to 4 times lossless zoom and defogging mode, Evo 2 is perfect for capturing your subject from a distance without missing a single detail. If Evo 2 is all about detail, then Evo 2 Pro is all about professional users. It commands a powerful 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor and the f2.8 adjustable aperture, capturing stunning aerial photos with brilliant color and controlled lighting. With excellent low-light performance, Evo 2 Pro provides incomparable night view footage. Equipped with a FLIR camera, Evo 2 Dual provides visible and thermal imaging with remarkable performance, perfect for commercial and first responder use. Featuring Autel Robotics' latest flight control system, the Evo 2 series offers an unparalleled flight experience. So intuitive, every flight seems effortless. Our new airframe is covered with 12 optical cameras, achieving stunning omnidirectional obstacle avoidance by creating an accurate 3D map of the environment in real time with automatic intelligent path planning. Aided by a dual-core powered object detection system, Evo 2 recognizes up to 64 subjects at once, allowing for immediate pinpoint tracking. With up to 40 minutes of flight time, a maximum speed of 72 kilometers per hour, and a 9-kilometer range, the sky is no longer the limit. Unmatched performance, resolution, and computer vision. The future is now the present. This is Evo 2 Series.
When people say the sky's the limit, we ask, why stop there? This is the relentless spirit and passion of DJI, and from that, we have created another glimpse at the future of possible. This is the Mavic Air, the newest addition to the DJI family, and another great leap forward for the industry. The Mavic Air takes cues from all of DJI's landmark drones of the past and yields something unique and new in the process. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it's a work of art that produces works of art. It is incredibly compact, so you can take it everywhere. It's exceptionally light, making it nimble in the air without sacrificing stability. The Mavic Air's powerful camera is housed inside a compact 3-axis gimbal system and is the only drone of its size to have one. Captures slow motion in full HD at 120 frames per second and takes still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. The new and improved panorama mode captures stunning 360-degree photos at the push of a button. The Mavic Air's optimal flight performance means more time in the air to get all those incredible shots. With 21 minutes of total flight time, 4 kilometers transmission distance, and a max speed of 19 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. The Mavic Air's striking industrial design is the perfect union of form and function. And even with its compact size, Mavic Air remains stable in unfavorably windy conditions and at higher land elevations, something that was once only possible with larger, more expensive drones. The Mavic Air is easier than ever to fly. The new APAS system allows the Mavic Air to detect obstructions in real time and fly around them without stopping. Multiple environment sensing cameras ensure the safety of the Mavic Air while flying. With front and back obstacle avoidance sensors, the Mavic Air sees more obstructions faster. Active Track now allows multiple object detection, which means more flexibility for object tracking. Quick shot modes like Asteroid and Boomerang get you professional camera moves automatically. The controller is as sleek and compact as the Mavic Air itself. Removable sticks sew right inside for an ultra-low profile. Proclaim your individuality with multiple color options and a full suite of accessories. Mavic Air redefines power and portability in a way that only DJI could make possible. And with the Mavic Air in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.
In 2015, DJI alone broke new ground in sensory systems and intelligence. Now, those advancements have been united with our newest quadcopter, the Phantom 4. A new sensory network is at the heart of the Phantom 4's obstacle avoidance system. A pair of front-facing cameras see and detect obstacles as far as 50 feet away, while downward-facing cameras capture optical and sonar data. All of this data is sent to the flight controller, the brain of the Phantom. At the same time, a hardware redundancy system isolates incorrect data and invalidates it. Dual IMUs measure inertia, and a barometer measures altitude via air density, while an enhanced GPS module allows for connectivity to 36 satellite signals. The flight controller sends all of this information to 4 motors, which make intricate, coordinated adjustments in mid-air. This obstacle avoidance system takes the fear out of flying. The Phantom 4 sets a new standard in quadcopter intelligence and has quickly become the most forward-thinking and advanced Phantom ever made.